So type RustScan, install GitHub in your search browser, and then you have to just click on the first page. And now I'm just doing I'm going to installation guide. You have to just in your URL edit wiki, then / installation guide. Then this is the installation guide. So we want to install it for Kali Linux, so this is the URL. We'll go later. If you want to install in Termex, this is the command pkg install RustScan. So first of all, why you need a RustScan basically? So RustScan it has speed, it is extensible, it is adaptive, and it is accessible also, and it is also very fast. So go to the installation release, and we are looking for the deb extension packages. So here we have two deb extension packages. I am going for AMD64 because I am having AMD64. Then I am just cancelling it because I have already downloaded that, and you have to basically download that the deb package you are downloading. So download it and move in the directory you want to install. Okay, and just you have to just install it anywhere and you will be accessible. So as you can see, I have installed it in the pw. Let me tell you, yeah, I installed it in the enumeration directory. And now let's start. I'll scan on my default gateway. And first of all, you also have to do sudo dpackage-i for installing the deb packages, so it is installed in your system and from anywhere you can use it. So this is my default gateway IP address. I am going to attack this. Basically I am going to scan this, and here you will see the RustScan is pretty much very fast. Okay, so we are going to just -a for addresses. Okay, so I'll type RustScan -a, the address, the IP address, and then I'll press enter. So as you can see, it just told me like my default gateway have 53 port number 53 open. This is for domain, and it also tells us to scan the nmap after scanning the RustScan. Now I'm performing on myself. This is my IP 192.168.80.211. So I have read it to 11, and it will now scan my computer. So it scanned and it didn't find basically all close, and it also tell you to scan the nmap, to run the nmap scan after running the RustScan, because the RustScan will definitely tell you what ports are open, and then you can further use nmap. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.